Well, once again, here's something completely new to me. First time reacting. Left with the Rain by Etta Mae Hartwell. Now, Etta Mae only has 26,000 subscribers to her YouTube channel. And on this is where she posted this 4 months ago. And it's had 1.5 million views. So I find it odd that 1.5 million people watched this and only 26,000 subscribed to her channel. That's sort of sad. But I've not heard it yet, so I have no idea what I'm talking about. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into this. Before I do, I'm just trying to shape it up a little bit. I always try to give you guys the best view of the artist that I can. If you notice, I always try to make the artist page bigger than mine because they're what's important, not me. I'm just here for the ride. But all right, well, let's jump into this. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Ring, ding, ding the bell so you get notifications. And yeah, let's listen to Miss Etta Mae Hartwell singing Left with the Rain. Here we go.
Woke up to the sound of an empty home. Your scent still lingers, but your touch is gone.
Wow, yeah, nice.
Left the door wide open, like you meant to stay, but all I found was silence and a note that said goodbye. I should have known, I should have seen. Love don't fade, it just turns mean. You left with the rain, you left with the cold, stole every sunrise, left me with a soul so old. I waited for you, but you never came. Now I'm stuck in the dark, calling out your name. Whiskey in my cup, but it don't taste right. Tried dancing with the devil, but he just laughed tonight.
Now she's nice.
Your ghost still lingers
Love this.
in the cracks of my mind, and every song on the radio sounds like a goodbye. I should have known, I should have run. Love ain't love when it leaves you numb. You left with the rain, you left with the cold, stole every sunrise, left me with a soul so old. I
Making me
waited for
itchy.
you, but you never came. Now I'm stuck in the dark, calling out your name. You said forever, but you meant tonight. But you meant tonight. I built a home, you set it alight. Now I walk these streets, a ghost in my skin, looking for love in the wreckage within. You left with the rain, you left with the cold, stole every sunrise, left me with a soul so old. I waited for you, but you never came. Now all I got is whiskey and rain.
Whiskey and rain. Whiskey and rain. Wow. All I've got is whiskey and rain. Left with the rain. Etta Mae Hartwell. Man, that was good. That was lovely, lovely, lovely. I really enjoyed that. That may have been the most enjoyable thing I've listened to all day today. Truth be told, that was really pretty. Very well done, Etta Mae. All right, that deserves a subscription. Going down over there. There'll be a link in my description, too, over to her channel. Jump down over there and give her a subscription. Man, she needs them. She's only got 26,000. So jump down there, everybody, and let's give her some more. Let's blow her up if we can. This girl, we need to hear more from her. She is a very, very talented young lady, and I, for one, would like to hear her do more. Love this sort of, jazzy, bluesy kind of thing she did. I mean, just knocked that out of the park. Just knocked it out of the park. That was wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.